Great, please download the file called Inserting Images from the Resources file and then open the file, and let's get started with inserting images. Now, inserting images is great in Excel, but please remember, a word of caution, don't overdo it, as you can create more damage to your document than anything else. So with our inserting images, let's just go through our basic images. So if I go to the insert menu, I can then go to shapes, or I can go to pictures, and if I go to pictures, I can go from this device, my computer, and I can add multiple images to my work file. I can even go and insert pictures from online pictures. Great, and I can select anything. I'm going to select the car. We're only going to use Creative Commons. I'm going to insert the file. Downloads the file for us, and there's the file. From there we can also go back into insert. We can insert icons. Also going online for these icons, you can select any icon that you want. There's various categories: arts, medical, analytics, graph, business, travel, technology, a whole lot of icons that you can insert as well. Just wait for it to download. There we go. Then let's add a new sheet. I can also go and I can insert shapes. I can insert a text box. Now look at how my icon has a down pointing arrow. I'm just going to click, don't drag it, and then the text box will populate as you start typing. From there I can go back into insert, I can go back into shapes, I can add lines. With my line selected now, I can change the shape outline, change the color, I can change the thickness of the line, I can change it to maybe how the line looks. I can even add arrows if I wanted to add an arrow. From there we can also go to our shape effects, and you can do some shadows, and let's add a glow maybe. You can do a whole lot of things with shapes. Normally with these types of shapes, you'll use these shapes to highlight information on your Excel spreadsheet. Don't overdo it. With shapes as well, then we can add rectangles. Let's add this rounded bar. I'm going to find it. That's the one there. Let's add the shape, and then you'll see you can rotate the shapes if you want to. We've got these yellow dots, and if I move the yellow dots, I can actually change a little bit of the dynamics of the image if I wanted to. Let's add another shape. I like sometimes to use the little smiley face, and I just need to find it here quickly. There we go. Go back into the shape format. Let's change the fold, and then with the thickness, let's click on a line, and then on the yellow line I can turn it to an upside down frown as well, or I can make it a neutral. You can really play around with shapes. With some more shapes, you can add call out stars and banners. You can really add whatever shapes and images that you really want to do in Excel. Just make sure that you don't overdo it, like I said, and just stick to the bare minimum. Normally we use shapes just to highlight, bring focus to bring our focus to some data within our Excel spreadsheet.